Why is the ombudsman so powerful when it comes to these these decisions? At pangalawa, given that the government is looking at its next ombudsman now, what is at stake with that choice as a next ombudsman?
Well, at stake is the enforcement of our laws against corruption. And so it is very important. The choice of the ombudsman is very important because he is the primary official who is tasked with prosecuting the guilty in our system. So, but I have also a proposal to assist in the task of prosecuting guilty officials to adopt a writ of Qui Tam. This is a special procedure which allows citizens themselves to file the suit against the corrupt official. It is allowed in other countries. All you have to do is for the Supreme Court to adopt the rule. It's called Qui Tam. And in that case, the ombudsman is given 60 days to file the case. If the ombudsman fails to file the case, the citizen can file the case against the corrupt official.
Okay, so this in effect gives the citizenry some power over that. What would be the main difference with current procedures?
Well, the writ of Qui Tam has to be adopted by the Supreme Court. No need for Congress. It's just a procedural remedy, and the Supreme Court, in the same way that it adopted the writ of Amparo in 2007,
Okay.
can adopt the writ of Qui Tam today to address massive corruption in our system.
Okay. Some were afraid that the office of the ombudsman might be used as an office for political retribution. How do you safeguard or protect the office from doing just that when it is the president who will choose the ombudsman? Bakit po yung ano po yung naging rational kung bakit yung presidente ang pinapa-appoint po nito? Given that yun nga po no, there are political interests at hand. And if you take a look at the arena now, that is exactly the thing that might influence all of these events, from the impeachment down to the flood control probe.
Well, the ombudsman is an independent office, constitutional office, given powers and independence under the setup. So we expect the ombudsman to be above politics in the performance of his or her duties. And of course, the citizens must be on guard as well and be vigilant so that the ombudsman will know that he's being watched by the people themselves.
Oo, pero paano po kaya yun? Many of the officials on the short list of the JBC, including Justice Remulla, are closely identified with the administration. In your mind, how do we strike a balance between independence of the office as well as the political aspects of the job?
It's precisely the nature of the office itself that provides independence regardless of the appointing power. It's like the Supreme Court. Once you're appointed, you don't look back. Your loyalty is to the Constitution.